Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in a fresh trade-in. It's a 2020 Jayco Jay Feather 25 RB. So this will have the bathroom in the back, front bedroom. Really nice layout, one slide. Starting out front here with our power tongue jack. It does have a light. LP tanks would be behind there, full 20-pound tanks, and a brand new battery in the back there. So we got the one slide here. It does have the dining table and the theater seating. Right here. We have the front pass-through. We do have stabilizer jacks on each corner. It does come with a tool, which is on the other side. So underneath the awning actually is the holding tanks. So we got two grays and the black back here. Flush. And above that, we got the outdoor shower. This is where the city water connection is. And this is a tank flush here. And we do have a little bit of storage in this back cubby here. We do have it hooked up to power. It's a 30 amp supply. Comes with this cord here. We got a spare tire. We got a rear ladder. And it is prepped for a backup camera there. It does have a power awning with an LED strip lighting underneath. And we got the furnace. Got the portable water tank here. We got a couple of cable satellite outputs there, a couple of plugins. Here is a mount if you were to put a TV out here. You can do that with that mount there. We got the water heater. Other side of that front pass-through. Does have some plugins here, and this switch right here is for these Jayco blue lights. Two there, and then two smaller ones right there. A couple of outdoor speakers, radios inside for that. Take a look inside now. And it does have the solid steps, aluminum treads, nice, easy, lightweight. Again, it's a Jayco, it's a 2020 25 RB. All right, really nice layout. So we'll start here. You got your control center right away. When you walk in, you got your awning, your slide out, living room lights, awning light. This is your water pump, your water heater gas, and your water heater electric. Here you can see how full your tanks are, and you can see how charged your battery is as well. You have an automatic light in the pantry here, really deep. This is probably everybody's favorite part of this floor plan. Right into the bathroom here. We got a slider door, got some cabinets. Got the corner shower, skylight, got a window, toilet, some more cabinets, storage. You have the medicine cabinet, sink, more plugins there. This is for the lighting, and this is for the vent, the fan up there. And we do have theater seating and dinette. The dinette does fold down to a bed. There's a little bit of storage underneath there. Really cool theater seats. So this one is going to have, there's 3 massaging modes. There's a light option for here. There's also heated seats. There's 2 options for heated seats. It does have a storage for remotes. Tons of storage in this one. We got the entertainment center. So this will have your TV, the radio, some storage. The TV does come out a little bit. There's a mount that has a swivel to it. There you got your radio, which does have aux. Some more storage. And we got the refrigerator, which is gas or electric. Freezer. Nice wide drawer here. And we have the stovetop. There's some cool accent lighting there. Got the glass top, 3-burner stovetop. It does have the built-in knife rack behind there. Got the microwave. More storage up here. And we got the double sink. It comes with the drying rack. Here we got the power tower. So any charging here, USB 110 and wireless on top. Just flat like that. And we got some more drawers. And we got the back bedroom, north-south bed, so there's closets on both sides and above. And the bed does lift up. Storage underneath. Place to hang all your clothes. There is even a little cubby back here. And there is a spot to put a TV back here with all the hookups above. And of course, does have plug-ins on both sides. We got the black shades everywhere. Alrighty, so that's going to do it, guys. Again, it's a 2020 Jayco Jay Feather 25RB. Again, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway, and thanks for watching.